Alright, in the previous video we learned how we can move and rotate an object at runtime by pressing some keywords and key buttons in Unity. In this step we want to learn how we can make a system for look at an object to another object in Unity. Imagine we have a main camera here and the Z angle, the blue one, is looked at here. In Unity, forward, it means Z angle, this blue angle, okay? So if we say, I want to look at this camera object to this cube object, it means we will align this blue angle with this cube object like this. Okay, so in the part 13 script I said let's make public transform target and void start transform. It means this object which already has part 13 component dot look at target and save, and let's see at this part. Okay, let's add main camera part 13. Okay, and add the cube object here, and let me make it from this angle. Okay, and now I play the scene. In the void start, look at this. It looked at this cube object by jump, but there's a problem. If I move my object, if you want to know how you can move and rotate your object, I propose to watch my previous video about this subject. But look at this. The camera is still stable at that location, at that direction, sorry. But we don't want it. We say instead of void start, let's make it void update. So all the time it tries to look at this target 60 times per second. And now look at this. Excellent. If I move my object, the camera always look at this object. Let me change the speed. 10, 5, 5, 60. Look at this. It is a beautiful view, right? You are. Excellent. Okay, with this method you can say all the time try to look at this object. Even with this solution you can make a missile because you can take a look at this object and it always rotates to looking at that object, and you make a guided missile. Okay, let's go to the next step.